தம்பி உட்காருங்க ஐயா, அமைச்சர் உட்காருங்க உட்காருங்க. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், வாங்க.
நாடாளுமன்றத்தில் மத்திய அமைச்சர் எல் முருகன் மற்றும் திமுக எம்பி திருச்சி சிவா இடையே கடும் வாக்குவாதம் நிலவியுள்ளது.
You said that when the leader of opposition himself intervened, you said no, he's not.
I have said the same thing when he was,
now, sir.
I have said the same thing
now, sir.
When they were intervening.
The rule to both sides. When they spoke, you said that when the leader of opposition himself intervened, you said no, he's not.
I have said the same thing when he was,
now, sir.
I have said the same thing
now, sir.
When they were interfering. I have said the
now,
same
sir,
thing. When
what
you are
doing?
deviating from the subject, then what I have to do?
What is he doing?
No,
have
no.
I ever spoken out of the subject? Have I spoken ever?
No, he was not speaking out of the subject.
He is making a point.
As long as he was in the subject, I allowed him.
You cannot. தப்பு தப்பா பேசுறாருங்கிறாரு. என்னங்க நியாயம்? நான் என்ன தப்பு தப்பா பேசுறேன்? தம்பி உட்காருங்க ஐயா, அமைச்சர் உட்காருங்க உட்காருங்க. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், வாங்க. Hello.
Honorable Minister, you please take your seat.
Hello.
Honorable Minister, you please take your seat.
Sir.
You please take your seat. We will rectify if anything is against the fact. No. Anything is against the fact, we will expunge it. You please take your seat. You take your seat. If anything is against the fact that I am telling you now. You please take your seat. Don't shout. Nothing will go on record. What they are shouting will not go in the record. No. Honorable Minister, you please take your seat. Nothing will go on record. For some time, nothing will go on record. You please take your seat. Nothing will go on record. You please take your seat. You all please take your seat. Sri Shiva, please continue.
I'm prepared to continue, provided if I.
Otherwise, I have to call the other speaker.
How can you?
No. Then you have to continue.
Interrupting me.
I have given my ruling. You have to continue, or otherwise I have to call other.
Please be impartial.
Then you continue.
Please be impartial.
No, I am not impartial. I am not impartial.
My time is interrupted.
You cannot question the chair.
Sir,
you have to continue. I am telling you are not speaking. What I have to do?
Have my say, please.
No, that I should have my say. Honorable Minister, I understand. I requested him to continue. If he is not continuing, then I will be calling the other speaker.
No, it's past.
செய்திகளை உள்ளது உள்ளபடி தெரிந்து கொள்ள ரெஃப்ளெக்ட் நியூஸை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.